Of course, you know the number one major player in producing films would be Star Cinema. They're number one in terms of quantity and in terms of box office performance. Mainly because Star Cinema has a network to support their promotions, and they have the bankable stars. Because most of the bankable stars are in their stable.
Kahit siguro serious film, pwede nilang pakitain and make it appear that it's a commercial film because they have the TV station. Ang labanan ngayon, marketing eh. Sila talaga may advantage over the other producers who don't have a television station. Who have to pay something like 100,000 for a 30-second film ad or film teaser.
They can promote their films in all their programs, and they can show their trailers every 30 minutes, which we cannot do because it's a luxury we cannot afford.